Hi, in this video we are going to see what is Termux application and what are its features. Termux is an Android application emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with the no rooting or any set requirements. A minimal based system is installed automatically. You can add additional packages by using apt package manager, and it is also secured for remote services using the SSH client for OpenSSH. So before going to the further explanation, I am going to tell you what is OpenSSH. OpenSSH is a suite of security related networking level utilizes based on the security shell protocols. Means there are some of the protocols which are carried out through the Termux application. And also OpenSSH helps you to secure network communication via the encryption of a network traffic over a multiple authentication methods and by proved by security tunnels capabilities. So this is all about OpenSSH. And next, coming to the feature packets that are nano, gripping through the SMS box, base, and also exploitable packages which are available on the Termux are similar to the Linux